si our libero Nerva of the BU Wolves. This time, point for the NCF Tigers. 3-point lead coming from the BU Wolves here. They're 7 points away on getting this set number 1. Now Barredo to serve.
Barredo to serve.
Much power on that serve. So a bonus point will go on the side of the BU Wolves. Now Maneja will go inside for the BU Wolves. With that 4-point lead, BU Wolves needs to be consistent and don't be complacent for our set number 1.
The rally continues. Meridia, one more time for Bucal. For his third try, makakakuha ng puntos. Grabe.
16-14.
Kapukaw showing us na kaya niya ditong magkapuntos.
Outside. Serve na yun, Ibelgamika. So now, 5 points away ang ating BU Wolves on getting the set number 1, 16 serving 20. Now, Centeno to serve. Montero was there for a quick attack. Hindi na nakita yan ang BU Wolves. Nakalaman sila ng butas.
17-20. Bucal to serve.
Now, Kapukaw to serve for the NCF. Medyo malakas yung mga serve dito ng NCF Tigers. So, another bonus point para sa BU Wolves. No more error na dapat at this point para sa NCF Tigers dahil humahabol sila sa puntos ng BU Wolves. Now, San Miguel. Otero again with a quick attack. Binawi at nawalang puntos. Still a long way to go for our set number 1. Otero to serve.
Napaganda pa nga at last minute the side of BU Wolves. It seems like broken play na team yung nangyari kanina. Pero again, nagawa ng paraan dito ng Wolves and turning it into a point.
Now Imperial and Dodds will be back on the side of the BU Wolves. 22 serving 18. Tatlong puntos na lamang para sa kanila. Now Dodds will serve the ball.
Dodds to serve.
BU Wolves dominating our set number 1.
Now coming from Pamplona, looking for error para dito sa NCF Tigers because again, silang naghahabol and the BU Wolves is 3 points away on getting this set number 1.
Why Politika? Napakaganda nun.
2 straight points on the side of the NCF Tigers. Nakatawag na ang BU Wolves ng timeout. Kasi their team, bawal dito maging complacent because we know the capabilities of this NCF Tigers. They need to be consistent here if they want to close this set number 1 on the side of the NCF Tigers. Consistency then and no room for error for them para ma-snatch ang set na ito.
Ayan nga, Rick, nahabol nga ng NCF Tigers yung malaking kalabakan dito sa ating set number 1 at naibaba sa 2 na lamang ang kanilang hinahabol. After this timeout, let's see what will be the adjustment on their side. They regain their momentum here. 22 serving 20. BU Wolves on the lead with just 3 points. And the set number 1 of our finals game 1. Now Bendikia. Centeno. Buhay na buhay pa rin ang sa ating set number 1 and still consistently showing us the great attacks. Now, Operio and Mapa joining team of BU. There 2 for our set number 1. Now, Operio.
Operio, proceed.
Great day coming from Nerva, Alzaga, andoon si Kapuka, Meridia sa ating Belhika, and Belhika will get a score.
And the game will continue. 2-point lead coming from the BU Wolves here. Now Francisco will be joining the NCF Tigers now. He will be serving.
Chance for the Wolves here for the set point. It's the coming from Paredo. There, Meridia sa ating Belhika. Dig, Alzaga will give a free ball. Kapuka will score. Sa NCF Tigers.
No, isa pa lang mahabol dito ng NCF Tigers rather. 22 serving 23. Now very crucial for Arena at this point. Now, Francisco again, chance to tie the game here for our set number 1.
Operio sa ating Alzaga. And an Alzaga, you're onside of at 150 everyone. Timeout ang ating BU Wolves. Dahil bago tong timeout na to, dalawa yung pinakahawakan nilang kalamangan against the NCF Tigers. And now, we are tied 23. Performance coming for this both teams. Very crucial one. Dapat wala ng error at this moment. And the Tigers will have the chance to take on the lead, or the BU Wolves consistently going to shift their game this afternoon. Now we are back on the ball game. Again, we are tied on 23 up. Chance to take on the lead. Francisco. Courtesy of Imperial. Now, Alzaga. Kailangan niya dito ng magandang serve. All is still alive. Kapuka will try against si Nerva. Operio. Wow.
Yes, we extend the set number 1 as we are tied at 24. exchange with Barredo. Now very crucial. A forward BU player, Katubig, will be fighting against his former teammates. Now, San Miguel to attack. And outside, points. There's no outside of the NCF Tigers. And now they are on the set point. Let's see who will win the set number 1. Katubig again on the service deck. Sabi nga natin, no more room for errors dito as it is a very crucial game. Both teams shows exemplary performance. Imperia, good serve. Straight through the net. Coming from Bucal. Again, BU on set point. 25-26. Will still be an extension for our set number 1. Till they end this. Now, Bucal the attack. Get that set number 1. 25-27. What a matchup. With this new teams now. Actions for our set number 2 on the finals game 1 matchup of the NCF Tigers versus the Bucal. We'll come back over here on Volleyball Sports TV. Naga sa mga kampiyon. Dragon Sports TV at Bucal Facebook page. 4 hours set to on the finals game 1. NCF versus BU Bulls. What a great set number 1 we've watched earlier. It ended in favor of the BU Bulls 27-25. And now let's see for our second set what will be the adjustment for both teams. Will the NCF Tigers touch the second set or the BU Bulls still continuously getting points this set?
Ayan, Tin, expect the unexpected para sa larong ito because anything can happen between these two teams. Nakita na natin na nagharap ang dalawang ito many times and ganito rin ang resulta ng kanilang every game. So wow, abangan lamang talaga kung ano pa ang gagawin ng dalawang koponan na ito. So tutok lamang on our live stream media, One Media TV 48 Naga, and also on Oragon Sports TV para sama-sama tayong matunghayan ang magandang bakbakan between these two teams.
Yes, both teams are great. So whoever wins this championship really deserves it. As we've seen the performance of the NCF and the BU during the elimination up until the final. Let's see as we're going to start our set number 1.
Yes, Tin, at kitang-kita nga para sa set number 2, Tin, at kitang-kita nga dito sa dalawang koponan na ito na gustong-gusto nilang makuha ang Game 1 ng finals na ito because this is an advantage para sa darating na Game 2 bukas. Now, Centeno on the deck to serve para dito sa Wolves. Francisco with that ball. Overset. And the point will go on the side of the NCR first point. And violation was called on the team of the BU. And I think ready na ditong mag-report sa side ng BU Wolves. To hear an update on their side, let's call our courtside reporter, Rain Reyes, maya-maya para makahingi ng update. So back to the ball game tayo now. Estrella on the deck to serve para dito sa NCF Tigers. So nakita natin dito, Tin, sa ating second set na naunang makakuha ng puntos ang NCF Tigers dahil sa error na ginawa ng BU Wolves. So a great start for them. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng BU Wolves para makabawi at maitabla ang larong ito 1-1.
Yes, now Estrella now to serve for the side of the NCF Tigers.
A great net defense para dito sa NCF Tigers, closing the doors para doon kay San Miguel. Now, yes, this error was committed by Paul Estrella in that last sequence. That's why abante pa rin dito ng isa ang NCF Tigers and San Miguel to serve para dito sa Wolves.
Now let's see. Estrella to Bucal. But the point will go on the side of the BU Wolves. And we are tied 1-2 for our set number 2. At para makikita tayo na update all the way from their side of the BU Wolves, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, any updates?
Thank you. It is a very intense match. Tigers are ready. Attacks to serve are showed by the Wolves, giving the opponent a need for a timeout. During huddle, they were told to relax and maintain their energy in the hard court. Continue to exert control over power and playing the sport. As coach said, I must say, the Wolves have a keen eye in serving and reading lines. With their skills and powerful attacks, they are unstoppable. And lead with no doubt, not an easy opponent for the Tigers. Kaya naman, this is the Bicol University Wolves who came in confident in winning the first set. But of course, the next one can't be the same story. Kaya naman patuloy natin silang subaybayan only here at the Dragon Sports TV Liga.
And thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So yun nga, relax and remain their composure para dito sa BU Wolves para makakuha ng dalawang set advantage dito. Let's see kung ganun ba ang gagawin nila on their game plan. Dodds on the deck to serve. Estrella, one-hand set. Free ball para dito sa BU Wolves. Centeno, setting up. Alamo. And another point was added on the side of the BU Wolves. 5-3 sa ating talaan. So, the table has turned again para sa larong ito. Ang naghahabol na dito, Tin, is ang NCF Tigers with 2 points. Pero this time, para sa quick hit na yun. And to hear an update on the NCF side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyle. Hi, Kyle. Anong balita dyan?
Recantino, we are now on the second set of this matchup. It was an intense set during the first set and the both team are eager to win this game.
despite of losing the first set, the NCF Tigers are reminded to properly execute their game plan. Pagganahin ang coordination, palo kung palo, block kung block, at kailangan mag-focus sa pag-focus. Coach Ian reminds them during the huddle to use their mind to win the game and see to it that they are playing their role inside the court. Dagdag pa ni Coach, simpleng error lang ang matalo sa kanila. Kaya naman kailangan nila itong bawasan sa mga susunod na set. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and T.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Yun nga, less error for the side of the NCF Tigers. And also at the moment, while still alive here, long rally. And it ended when they have Francisco with that 1-point lata ang ikahabol nila dito against the BU Wolves for our second set. Now let's see, as Francisco have a chance here to tie the game for our set number 2.
Francisco to serve. Number 17 to serve.
Verdigia. Now tied on 6 on. Verdigia again. Chance to take on the lead. On the side of the Wolves, not the NCF take that 1-point lead against the BU Wolves.
Perfect back to serve.
Centeno, pababawin sa Alizaga. 1-2 play. What's left by Francisco? And now, mapapatawag na ang BU Wolves. They're down by 2.
At ayan na, nakuha nga ng NCF Tigers ang dalawang kalamangan na yan. And as of the moment, they need to be consistent if they really wanted to get this set this time. But on the other side, the BU Wolves, still a great performance coming from them. Kaya Rick, shoutout naman natin yung ating live viewers sa Bucal and Dragon.
Mag-shoutout tayo din sa mga nanonood sa atin live. Shoutout kay Weng Zoilo, Violi Lazarte, Nicole Banyanares, Dodoy Katubig, Elijah Moses San Miguel, Mekay, Jig Sayende, Gail Sheena Francisco Bugayan, Miguel Antonio C, Aljon Cibolopogoy, Enzo Sena, Nick Paga, and Leia Pardinas, and Mike Genashon. Thank you so much and happy viewing.
Now, we're back on the ball game. 6 serving, 8. 2-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. Now, Mepigia. Antuario declined on that last sequence. So, a point again for the side of the NCF Tigers. Kudos sa blocking ng NCF in that last sequence. 3-point lead, biggest lead for our set number 2. Now Merdigia again to serve. This time, service error, bonus point for the side of the BU Wolves. Kung ay sinasabi dito ni Coach Bon, less error for our second set.
Number 9 to serve.
Now Aguayo, service deck. With that, naibaba na lamang sa isa na BU Wolves sa kalamangan for our second set. Chance here to tie the game as Aguayo will serve the ball. Now Francisco, courageous play. Nahalaman ang putos na BU. Instead, hindi nila hinahayaan na makalapit sa puntos nila. Ito ang ating BU Wolves. Now Francisco
Serving Francisco.
to serve.
At pinapakita dito ng NCF Tigers. San Miguel is rejected once again on that last sequence. Now Francisco on the deck to serve. Centeno to Imperial. This time, hindi na dito. Nabantayan ng blocker sa Imperial.
1-11.
With that 2-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers, 9 serving 11. Now Imperial. Sets it up to Bucal. Now Barredo on the service deck.
Barredo to serve.
Bola sila live. Estrella to Paco. Big coming from Nerva. Another one for Nerva. Now Estrella setting up Kapuka andun sa Alamo. San Miguel with that soft touch. Estrella to Kapuka. Natin ang credit si Nerva again.
Yes.
Really good on swiping the floor para hindi po bagsak ang bola on the side of the beam.
His service ace coming from Barredo. The 5-point lead ngayon. Pinakamalaking kalamangan for our second set. Napakaganda. Barredo again on the service deck. But this time, medyo napalakas na dyan. So a bonus point for the side of the BU Wolves. 14 serving 10. Now Centeno.
Miscommunication between this player. Nerva setting up San Miguel. San Miguel. The wall on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now, grabe. Yung bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito for our finals game 1. Centeno again.
Estrella setting up at the back. Naman ang paghabol dito ng Wolves. Both teams don't need to be complacent here at this point in time because anyone pwedeng makapuntos dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court.
Now, Mergia to attack. And a point sa third to attacker. Grabe yung blockings ng NCF Tigers dito. Hindi inahayaan makapasok yung mga attacks ng BU Wolves. With that, they are 4-point away against the BU. Australia. Hindi na nakuha yung last ball na yan. With that, 3 points na lamang ang hinahabol dito ng BU Wolves. San Miguel now to serve.
serve on that receive. Aguayo. Zero score.
Now we're halfway through our second set. Still NCF on the lead. Now Dodds on the service deck for the side of the Wolves.
Estrella. Francisco. Getting that point.
Now NCF dominating our second set here. Will the BU Wolves hahabol ba dito? Pero almost an ace.
Boy pa dito ang bola. Estrella. Setting up Francisco. Outside. On the side of the BU Wolves. Now substitution. Pamplona is in. For Francisco and same sa side ng BU Wolves. Espanya. And Dumanais. Papasok ngayon sa loob ng BU.
Espanya will also be joining them. Now Dumanais, team captain. 15, serving 18. Again, Dumanais on the service deck.
Now, Dumanais at the service deck para dito sa Wolves. Puntos para dito kay Dumanais. First corner bet.
Again, he will be serving the ball.
Meridia. Tulong on that. Kailangan para maitay ang set na ito at mapapatawagan ng timeout ang NCF Tigers.
Ayan nga, Rick. Again, we are on the situation. BU Wolves, isang hinahabol dito. Napakadali lang para sa kanila para makuha yung puntos na yan. Kaya titinan natin. Magkakaroon ba tayo ulit ng extended set number 2? 1 point lead lamang pinangahawakan nandito ng NCF Tigers. Yung 5 kanina, isa na lamang ngayon. Now we are back on the ball game as we are still continuing this intense and full of action set number 2. Now Dumanais again to serve. Very crucial error para sa aming BU Wolves. Hindi na dahil sila nagkakaroon ng error dito dahil sila nga yung humahabol against the NCF Tigers. Now, team captain Belhica will be joining the NCF Tigers. Merdigia serving.
Meridia setting up.
20-17.
Now scoreboard and the lead is on the side of the NCF Tigers. 5 points away and getting this set number 2. Meanwhile, on the side of the BU Wolves, kailangan nila dito ang composure. Great offense. Espanya will try and then Sonero.
In command. 18-20.
Now, chance for the BU Wolves here. Aguayo now on the service deck.
get that ball alive.
Yes, she is the NCF Tigers. Now, Madigia.
Ball, NCF 22-18. Bicol University. Score 22-18 in favor of NCF.
Sa ating set number 2.
Now, 4 points ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers for our second set. Will the BU Wolves after this timeout? Tignan natin kung makakahabol ba sila dito. And we'll have a close fight for our second set. 22 serving 18. Now we are back on the ball game. All the players here for both sides really showcase their skills. Now, Pamplona will be serving the ball.
Ball 2.
Now, strong attack coming from Imperial. But the substitution for the side of the BU Wolves, Maneha. 19-22.
Maneha to serve.
Making an impact on the side of the BU Wolves and staying alive here sa ating second set.
Now, naibaba na muli sa dalawang kalamangan dito. Maneha again to serve. But a very crucial error coming from the BU Wolves. That lead by 3 coming from the NCF Tigers, but I don't know how to serve.
Now, Merdihia sa ating Abelhita. Getting that point and making their team on the set point.
Now let's see, will the BU Wolves extend this or the NCF Tigers and this set number 2. 24-20. Isa na lamang para sa NCF Tigers to snatch a set here and tie it against the BU for our game 1. Now, San Miguel to try. One more time.
Rally goes third set. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
It's time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes!
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our third set. And guess what? We are all tied up at 1 set apiece. Grabe. Feel na feel talaga nating lahat na final game ito between these BU Wolves and the NCF Tigers. Kitang-kita ang effort between these two teams na talagang dapat nating abangan dito sa ating third set. And we'll see kung aabot ba tayo ngayong gabing ito into fifth set. Sino mag-aakala because nangyari na ito between these two teams. And mag-shoutout naman tayo team sa mga live audiences na nakatutok sa atin sa Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout kay Aljan Adayo, JM Acedo, kay Adrian Madera, Nick Paga, kay Jamari Bagasina, and kay Nino. Thank you so much and happy viewing po.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusubaybay sa ating live coverage dito sa Oragon Sports TV at Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po. And of course, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos dahil magandang bakbakan na ipinapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. So this set number 3, tignan natin kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha dito ngayong gabi.
Yes, tamang-tama ka dyan, Tin. At damang-dama nga natin dito ang suporta ng NCF Tigers and the BU community. And to hear an update on the side of the NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the third set of this matchup. For this set, patuloy ang pagbawi ng Tigers to really get this game. We can see their eagerness to get every set of the game at talaga namang bumawi sila during the second set at nasungkit nila ito. During the huddle, the coaches are reminding the team to have the presence of mind. Huwag mag-relax at ibigay na ang lahat sa game na ito. Dagdag pa ni Coach Ian, huwag nang pabayaang habulin ng kalaban ang score pag sila ay nakakalamang na. Kailangan din ng sense of urgency, itaas ang laro at ibuhos na lahat for this game. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and team.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, give your all when it comes to playing with BU Wolves. And of course, as we can see now, everyone to touch this set again. And just a few to start our set number 3. Very crucial, isang set na para isa. But for the side of the BU Wolves, let's see kung ano nga ba yung magiging adjustment dito na ngayon. Yung NCF Tigers nakakuha yung kanilang set number 2. Dito naman sa ating set number 3, ano kaya gawin ng ating BU Wolves? Of course, napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito with all the players. Now we're going to start our third set with each of the team with one set apiece. At para makikita natin all the way from the BU Wolves, let's call on our courtside reporter, Ray. Ray, ano-update namin dyan?
The right time when to use attacks and be mindful of their transitions. Sabi pa ni Coach, they should improve their blocking score. That's when the Tigers defense lesson. Let's give them a taste of their own game. He fiercely ended his statement. Despite this, the Tigers, the opponent of the Wolves, managed to win the second set with a score of 20-25. With the third set starting, the BU Wolves are eager more than ever na bumawi. Kaya naman abangan natin yan. Yan ang natin on the side of the Wolves. But sa inyo.
Thank you so much for that update. BU Wolves need to bring back their momentum doon sa nangyaring set 1 para makakuha ng 1 set advantage dito sa ating third set na ito. Now, chance for the NCF Tigers here to score. Estrella, combination play. Ball is still alive. One more time for Bucal.
Now both teams. Pareho na silang may puntos para dito sa ating set number 3 na Operio. Ay, baso kayo. Ayan. With that 1-point lead on their side, Bucal serving.
Operio setting up San Miguel. And San Miguel breaks down the ball para dito sa Wolves.
Now, San Miguel will serve the ball for the side of the BU Wolves, tied on 2-all.
Zaga setting up Mapa. And Mapa will get a score coming from that last sequence. Ball is still alive. Now Operio setting up Mapa. Backward points coming from him.
Now, 2 puntos agad para kay Mapa for our third set. Now, let's see.
Operio to Duds. Andun si Estrella ng Mardehia. Setting at the 5. Boy pang bola. This time, no entry para dito sa BU Wolves.
For serving 3, 1-point lead coming from the BU. Now, Otero. Duds with that quick attack. Duds now to serve. Pero wala na kakuha ng bottom yan. Well, NCF have the chance here. Belgica will be back on court. Medegia now to serve. Imperial. Now for the third set, the BU Wolves really says na hindi pa tapos ang laban. They just need to be consistent for this set. Now Mapa. Sabi naman agad yan ni Pamplona. Still a 1-point lead coming from the BU Wolves. Now Pamplona to serve. Naga, napasok pa yan. 1v1 sila dyan ni Barreto. With that 2-point lead coming from the BU Wolves, that was Zaga to serve.
Meridia to Belhita. And Belhita, libreng-libre para sa puntos na yon.
7-7.
Alvaredo to serve. But a point will go on the side of the BU Wolves. That violation for the NCF Tigers. Now Imperial on the service deck. Lamang hinahabol ng NCF for our third set. Now Belhica.
Operio to San Miguel and San Miguel. Grabe. Making an exclamation point coming from that last attack. A clean hit coming from him. Now Operio on the deck to serve dito para sa BU Wolves.
BU Wolves. Biggest gap for our third set. 10 serving 7. Now they just need to be consistent for this third set if they really wanted to snatch this. Top touch. Now sets it up to San Miguel. Lock. One more time for BU.
Great palipata coming from Pamplona. So we have a substitution here on the side of the BU Wolves. Bailey Seen and Duds is out. Now, Bucal ready now to serve para dito sa NCF Tigers. 8-10 on our scoreboard and still the lead is on the BU side.
Outside.
Pero an error coming from Bucal. Now San Miguel to serve for the side of the BU. 1-2 play. Bailey successfully gets it. 12 serving 8 now in favor of the Wolves. Pamplona again with that powerful attack. Mapa will try. But declined by Pamplona and Otero. Napakaganda ng atake na yan ni Mapa. Now, Bailey. 1-2 play. Ball still alive here. One more time. Point will go on the side of BU. Now, let's see here. BU still dominating our third set. Alamo in exchange of Mapa. Now Bailey to serve. Very crucial error. Bonus point for the NCF Tigers. Alberto Guia. Pamplona. Now, 2 puntos na lamang hinahabol dito ng NCF Tigers. Natigi again to serve. Alzaga was the live here. Alzaga is down on the side of the BU. Now, Medics nandiyan na to assist Alzaga. As of this moment, 13 serving 11, 2-point lead coming from the BU Wolves. Good set number 3 with watching. Now let's see if Alzaga can still play. Maybe just a spring. As of now, siguro magpapahinga muna dito si Alzaga. But we're going to continue this matchup. Now, Aguayo will be joining the BU Wolves here for our third set. Now, Digia.
Operio to Aguayo. Bantay sarado ni Barredo at Digia.
With that, isang puntos na lamang, and the NCF Tigers can tie the game against the BU Wolves. Touch
Now Meredia to Barredo again. 2 straight points coming from him. Right outside of a 13. Mapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang BU Wolves because nahabol na nga dito at naitabla na ng NCF Tigers ang set na ito.
And with that, this would be more exciting dahil natabla na ang laro natin. Will the NCF Tigers dire-diretso na yan, or the BU Wolves still play their cards here this evening? Set number 3 pa lamang po tayo. And talagang hindi natin alam kung sino nga ba makakuha ng even this finals of men's volleyball. Now we are back on the ball game. 13 on. To serve. Crucial error. Bonus point para sa BU Wolves rather. Now Alamo. Power outside. Then you're tied on 14.
We would like to thank Mangkok's Kinalas, located at Dayangdang, Naga City, owned and managed by Mr. Arvin Jess and Ma'am Emeline Salgado. Mangkok's Kinalas, the best Kinalas in Naga City. Flowers and Beyond Naga, located at Robinson's Place, Naga, Istanbul, Naga, and Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, owned and managed by Ms. Irish Alilnya. 10% discount on any bouquet as graduation promo. Visit Flowers and Beyond Naga FB page for more details. Back to the ball game.
Now on that last sequence, BU Wolves got that point. So now again we are deadlocked on 15 all. Now Aguayo to serve now. Strong attack coming from Belgica. laban between the BU and the NCF Tigers. Now, Baredo now to serve. Imperial, binawi agad yung puntos na yan. Another deadlock for this set 3. Now, Imperial to serve.
Again, Imperial on the deck to serve para dito sa BU Wolves.
Pero medyo na malakas na yan. So, a bonus point for the NCF Tigers. Deadlock on 17. No room for errors at this point. Nagkahabulan na ng puntos na Belgica. NCF, 1-point lead. Feel Belgica again.
Poperio to San Miguel. Bola sila live, Meridia. Nakakawagin dito ng double violation on the side of the Tigers. That's why we are outside of at 18.
Now, Operio.
Great combination play and great conversion point coming from Bucal. Now they are having a 1-point lead here para sa NCF Tigers. Kapukaw on the deck to serve. Operio setting up Bailey. And Bailey will side up the match at 19.
San Miguel, Cairo 19 all. Miscommunication for the side of the NCF Tigers. 2019 now. 5 points away ang ating BU Wolves and getting that third set. Pero masyado pang maaga. Free ball bibigay dito. Another deadlock. Walang katapusang deadlock para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, Operio to Alamo. For the NCF. Centeno will be back on the side of the BU Wolves. Now, Otero to serve.
Now free ball on the side of Tigers. Baredo is denied. Andon si Belgica. Now Centeno setting up Bailey in the middle. And Bailey at 1 point. So again, another deadlock series para dito sa larong ito. What a game. What a finals game 1 para dito sa dalawang kupanan na ito. Crucial service error mula kay Vance on that last play. That's why NCF, meron ulit ditong isang abante. Merdihia on the right to serve. Ball is still alive. Free ball will be given on the side of the Tigers.
Ngayon, nakalayo na ang ating NCF Tigers, 23-21. With that, mapapatawag ng timeout ang ating PU Wolves dahil nga 2 puntos sa kalamangan dito ngayon ng NCF Tigers, and they are 2 points away on getting that set number 3. But let's see, dahil balikan na ng puntos para sa dalawang kupunan nito. Now, shoutout din sa ating mga live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for their non-stop support for the BU and the NCF. Still a good fight we're watching for our set number 3. Now we are back on the ball game. NCF, 2 points away from getting the set number 3. Now Merdigia to serve.
What a great play coming from Centeno. Back to 1-point lead. Dito ang hawak ng Tigers.
Without foul sequence. Set point na muli ang NCF Tigers, 24-22. Now will the BU this set number 3 or the NCF ends it. Now let's see, Centeno to Imperial. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. 24-23. Let's see. No more time for error for both sides, most especially on BU. Dahil silang humahabol ang isang puntos dito. Aguayo. Sports TV. Iba na mga kapyo.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para sa ating fourth set. Nakuha nga ng NCF Tigers dito ang second and third set. Now, BU Wolves, if they want to prolong this match, they need to get this set para pumunta tayo sa ating fifth set. Now, to hear an update on the side of the defending champion, let's call our courtside reporter, Kayla. Hi, Kayla. Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the fourth set of this matchup at nakuha pa rin nga ng Tigers ang third set. For this set, they are reminded by the importance of the first ball. First ball, according to assistant coach Araki, if you have the first ball, it is the key for a good set. They are still reminded to lessen their errors because still they had committed errors during the third set. Kailangan ng continuous effort para tuloy Coach Ian wants more of the energy, consistency, and content of his players. Ika nga nila, don't be complacent at ibuhos na lahat-lahat para makuha pa rin lang ang set ko. That's all for now. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan na, consistency. And don't be complacent for the side of the NCF Tigers. Doon na, nagkaroon na sa ating last sequence. First point para sa ating NCF Tigers now.
And now, Bucal is rejected at the net. So we are outside at 1. Grabe. Talagang intense ng pinapakita dito between these two players. And to hear an update on the BU side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Rain. Hi, Rain. Anong balita dyan?
Easy to counter. However, you hit the ball, malakas man o mahina, as long as you make it land on the opponent's side, it is still a point. Despite during the third set that ended with a score of 23-25 ang fourth set, coach instructed them with new plays. Kaya naman abangan natin if magagamit pa nila yan upang makabawi on the next one. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. That's it for now.
Thank you so much, Green. Ayan nga. Less error for the side of the BU Wolves. And dapat magandang mga ball placement to get a powerful attack. Now, ball still alive here. Pero mas communication on the side of the NCF Tigers. 3 serving 2 now. 1 point lead. Coming from the Wolves. Now Bailey to serve.
What an attack coming from Pamplona to tie this match at 3.
Yung Pamplona. If you can still remember Pamplona from last season, pinasok siya during a crucial play against the UNC Greyhounds. And now, starter na siya for the NCF Tigers. Now, Barredo. Pamplona agad. Pero, wala na ipasok yan. Third side for all. Now, wala mo. Serve.
Centeno, combination play. Ball is still alive. And the point will go on the side of the PU Wolves. Again, save all sa ating talaan. Now Espanya on the deck to serve para dito sa Wolves.
Now, Pamplona again. 1-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. Again, very full of action. Set number 4. Will it be extended to set number 5? Let's see. Ayan, with a powerful attack. Now Imperial tied all at 6. Rotational violation for the side of the BU Wolves. Now Barredo. Play. Free ball ibibigay ngayon. Now Bailey. Sa Jack. Walang katapusang deadlock para sa ating NCF and BU. 7-all. Now Bucal. Bailey and Alamo. Balita na ng puntos para dito sa dalawang kupon na ito. Now, Centeno again to serve. Again, Bailey was there. Now, PU, biggest gap for our fourth set. 9 serving 7. Consistency for the BU Wolves now, Centeno.
Chance for the Wolves here to score. Great stop there coming from Otero. Merdejia. Back set to Bolivia. And too strong on that attack. So the point will go on the side of PU Wolves. 10-7 is on our scoreboard.
Serving 8. Belhica now to serve. San Miguel, too much power in that one. And that sequence is na lamang ang inahabol dito ng NCF Tigers. To tie the game again against the BU Wolves. Again, this is the 4th set. Dalawang set ang nakuha ng NCF Tigers.
Chance for the Tigers here to score. Kapukaw. Get a score coming from that cross-court. Nerva couldn't handle that ball. So we are outside up again at 10.
Yes, bumabalik na naman tayo dito. Ang bilis na habol ng NCF Tigers yung tatlong kalamangan ng BU Wolves. Now, Belhica. Naga. So, i-bonus point para dito sa Bio Wolves. Now, San Miguel to serve. Serving 10, San Miguel again. Now the Bio Wolves dominated this fourth set. And as of this moment, they just need to be consistent with their performance right now. If gusto nila pang i-tie ang laro and to extend it up until the set number 5. But the Gia sets it up. Bucal combination play. Nakapukaw. 3 points ang kalamangan dito ng Bio Wolves. Bailey now to serve. Spanya. Getting that point. With that, napakawala ang NCF Tigers. 4-point lead coming from the Bio Wolves. Now, the Bio Wolves consistently getting a point here. So now let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the NCF Tigers dito sa ating fourth set.
Ayan, Tin, magpasalamat naman tayo sa ating sponsor. We have the Liman Meat Shop located at Magsaysay Avenue, Yashana Mall, Naga and Daet branch owned by Mr. Romel. For fresh and quality meat, visit Liman Meat Shop. Real Print Graphics Center located at Concepcion Grande, Naga City, owned by Mr. William Concepcion. Quality printing, excellent service. Your printing partner since 1980. Back to the ball game tayo, Bailey. Meridia. And now, Pablo will get a score. They time out. Coming from the NCF Tigers. They are down 3 here sa ating fourth set. Now, Otero serving the ball. Centeno, back set to Alamo. Bantay sarado dito ni Pamplona. 2 points na lamang dito ang kanilang kailangang mabuli para may tabla ang larong ito.
Now Otero still have a chance here para may baba sa isa ang kalabangan ng Bio Wolves. Now, Imperial.
Pamplona sa ating Merhedia. Andon si Nerva. Centeno, mishit coming from Imperial pero makakakuha pa ng puntos coming from that last sequence. 16-13 on our scoreboard and the lead is back at 3 para dito sa Wolves. Now Alamo on the deck to serve. Great half time coming from Pamplona on that last play. Now, Merdihia on the deck to serve. Centeno to Imperial. And once again, Imperial being maximized here sa ating fourth set.
Are we going to extend up until the set number 5 or the NCF Tigers? Habol dito. Namel de Gia. Free ball.
Free ball for the NCF Tigers here. Merdehia sa ating Pamplona. Getting that cross-court hit.
Now back to 2-point lead ang BU Wolves. We're halfway through our set number 4. Daming pwedeng mangyari. Now, Pamplona to serve. Ball still alive here. Free ball bibigyan ng BU. Naman de Gia sets it up. And with that, the NCF, isa na lamang ang hinahabol dito against the BU Wolves. Will it be a change of momentum for our set number 4? And with that, the timeout was called on the side of the BU Wolves. Around 17 serving 16. Doon sa halos 4 na kalamangan na BU Wolves na ibaba na lamang sa isa at konti na lang. This set number 4 will end, pero unpredictable pa rin kung sino nga ba makakapag-uwi ng set number 4 na yan. Will it be the NCF Tigers or the BU Wolves? And if they really wanted to get this game number 1, they need to be consistent at hindi dapat nila hayaan ng NCF Tigers para makahabol. But with the side of the NCF Tigers, if they really wanted to end it now, double effort. They gain a point here. Now, we are back on the ball game. 17 serving 16.
Pamplona now serving. Centeno to Imperial. And again, Imperial being the main weapon here on the side of the BU Wolves. Creating an impact. Now Maneha on the deck to serve para dito sa BU Wolves. Merdehia. But an error was called on the NCF Tigers. 19-16 on our scoreboard. Slowly but surely, BU Wolves is making their move here and creating a separation. But this time, too strong on that service. The point will go on the side of the BU NCF Tigers rather.
Error para dito sa ating BU Wolves. And as of this moment, dapat wala ng error. Now, Baredo serve. Mikael Chetsak. Ball is still alive here. Belgica. At the deep lead ang BU Wolves for our set number 4. 5 points away on getting this stab and extending it up until the set number 5. Now, BU Wolves, Centeno. Centeno again. Room for it.
Marawi nga dito. Si Belipa, that attack. 21-18 on our scoreboard. Still, naghahabol dito ang NCF Tigers. Belhita. No room for error here para sa kapunan. Centeno. Nabasa dito ni Bailey. Merdihia. Setting up Otero. Ball is still alive. San Miguel will give a free ball. Francisco. Great point. Francisco.
Lead para sa BU Wolves. The NCF Tigers is really raging as of this moment. BU Belhika again. Attack. Only 3 points away ang ating BU Wolves on getting that set number 4. Grabing bakbakan ng ating finals game 1 between the NCF and BU. Now San Miguel.
Great day coming from Nerva. Espanya. An error for Espanya. 22-20 on our scoreboard here. Merdihia to Belhika. Andon si San Miguel. Alamos Santos. Great save coming from Nero.
Grabing intense ng laban. 23 3-point lead coming from the BUs. Napakaganda ang ipinapakita ng performance ng BUs for our 4th set. Such an exemplary performance coming from the BUs as well as for the NCF Tigers. Grabe, this is what you call finals because season 5. We need 2 points to extend up until the set number 5. No substitution here. Imperial will be back on the B side. Again, 23-20. Bailey now to serve.
Merdihia to Pamplona. Ball is still alive. San Miguel. And now Espanya. But Espanya. Error for him.
Otero. 2-point lead for the BU Wolves.
Centeno. May pang bola dito. Para great anticipation at the net. Para dito kay Merdihia. And grabbing that regalo. Now Otero. No room for error for her. Alamo. Baba. Free ball para dito sa Wolves. Centeno. Crucial error para sa Wolves. Outside up at 23.
Dahil napatawag na nga ng timeout ng Bicol University dahil kanina lamang na lamang sila. Napakagandang performance coming from this both teams. And also, let's commend the supporters of teams. Grabe, hanggang ngayong oras na ito, dito pa rin to support the NCF and BU.
What a game, partner! Talagang pinapakitaan tayo ng magandang volleyball showdown between the Wolves and the Tigers. So, sulit na talaga dito ang panonood ng ating mga live audiences. The crowd goes wild para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Centeno to Imperial! Rigid air team sa set point ng ating laro. 10 puntos na lamang for the BU Wolves. Set point.
They will get this 4. Pero papayagan mo yan ng ating NCF players. Now, alam mo.
Cardehia to Pamplona. Ball is still alive to Espanya. Atin nga everyone. Back extended set number 4 para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. I cannot contain my emotion right now, team. I'm being carried away by this game. And now
time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes! And get into the race with low jitter. Yes! Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Willprint, quality printing excellence service, your printing partner since 1985. At Dugong Tigre na ang nangibabaw against the Beowulfs. Our best player of the game is jersey number 17 with 26 excellent set, 1 service ace, 8 points, 6 attacks, and 1 block. He is none other than Kurt Merdigia. Hello, Kurt. How does it feel? Na-secure na ang inyong unang panalo at isa na lang, kayo na ang kampiyon dito sa Bucal Season 5.
Ano po, pinakauna na nakuha namin yung pinakaunang panalo. Parang gumaan yung namin na katawan namin, na wala yung pressure.
At dahil nakita ko kung gaano mo ginalingan and nakuha muna ng BU yung first set, ano ba yung naging personal adjustments mo during the second to fourth set na nakatulong sa'yo para makuha niyo ang panalo na to?
Nung first set po kasi parang naninibago pa at first time ko first time ko sa finals, makarating sa finals at first time ko rin po magbukal. Kaya nung first set, marami pa pong adjustment, pero pagdating po ng second set at third set, nakuha na rin naman po.
At dahil bukas, iyon na sa inyo ang game 2, ano ba yung magiging preparation mo at ano yung aabangan namin sa'yo?
Una po, sabi nga ni Sir, puunan ding maray, kaya focus kami. Siyempre po, mahagad kami kay Lord ning guide. Siya po for may minuton, tsaka focus lang po talaga. Tapos si training, yun lang si gigibuhon.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batin mo na mga gusto. Jersey number 17 of Naga College Foundation Tigers, Kurt Merdigia. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulya. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
And the game 1 of our finals goes to the defending champion NCF Tigers. And hawak ko nga ang stats ng ating best player of the game na si Kurt Mardihia, producing 26 excellent sets, 1 service ace, 8.6 attacks, and 1 block. Kudos to the NCF Tigers and also on our Beer Wolves for making this evening a very special one. So aabangan natin ang game 2 bukas dito lamang sa NCF Covered Court. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
I am Christina Caso-Reyes. Kung maganda na napanood nyo ngayong gabing ito, bukas abangan nyo pa po ang mas pinagandang bakbakan ng NCF at BU bukas na yan. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.